guys, welcome back to All Things with Tip. So today I will be doing these brows. As you can see, they are just like not tamed at all. I've just let them grow out so much, and it is time to go ahead and clean them up. So I purchased this eyebrow tint off of Amazon. It's called Ariana New York Lash and Eyebrow Tint. There you go. When I purchased this off of Amazon, the price of it was $29.99. It says it has up to 10 applications, which is pretty good for $30. I'll put all of the information in the description, and as well as all of the products or tools that I'm using today. So I'm not really sure. This is, I haven't opened it or anything yet, so I'm seeing it for the first time just like you are. And by the way, please excuse my hair and everything. I am in the middle of doing my hair, but I wanted to do my eyebrows before I did my hair video. So that's what's going on today. So I also pulled out some cotton balls just in case I needed them, as well as my cotton application swabs in case I need them as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get this open. I also have my mirror here, so you may see me looking down towards the mirror. All right, here's the user manual here. All right, and it also comes with what they call a tint dish. You can use them for your lashes as well, so these are for under your lashes. I will not be tinting my lashes today. I also have a brush and an applicator brush. Have the cream developer. It says that it's 3% 10 volume, so I'm guessing it kind of lifts it a little bit. Okay, so the one that I purchased, it comes with the dual color. It's got the brown and it's got the black in here. So what I was gonna do is just mix the black with the brown. All right, so I have my dish here, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the product. And it says equal parts. Since I'm going to do just a little bit of black, I'm still going to put the same amounts of developer to equal the same amount of the color. So that's how much developer I have on there. All right, and that is how much brown color I just put on. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of black in, and I think I might put just a little bit more brown in because it looks like it's a little bit less than what it should be. And it may be a good idea to shake it up. It may have been sitting too long. All right. So that is how much I have. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this in. All right, and now that that is mixed in, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this to my left brow first. I'm gonna get my cotton application swabs out. So I'm just gonna straighten my eyebrows. Just kind of get them shaped a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and start to apply them. making sure that I'm getting every crack and every crevice of this color. All right, and it's 5:23 now. And so I'm going to check it again at 3:33. I'm just going to just kind of get it on here. All right, and I'm just going to take I'm going to go ahead and put it here, and I'll just wipe it off in a little bit. All right, and I'm just gonna wipe this off. All right, and I'm just cleaning up the excess. All right, and I hope it's not that thick. So just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna do one at a time so that we can see the difference. And so once this has sat for 10 minutes, then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, it does look like it's getting a little bit darker, so I do want to go ahead. It's been 5 minutes. Let me show you guys. All right, as you can see, it's 5:28. I do want to go ahead and wipe some of this part off here. And let's put just a little bit back on so it can kind of blend. All right, so I wiped a little bit of that off, and I'm gonna allow it to finish processing. Okay guys, we are almost at 10 minutes. It is 5:32. I am gonna go ahead and dampen me a cotton ball. All right, so I've dampened it with some water. All right, and it's now 5:33. And I am gonna go ahead and attempt to wipe this off. It says do not scrub. And I can definitely already tell that they are much darker. And what I'm going to do a little bit later is to just clean them up. It said do not use a razor on it before and after, but I'm just gonna test it out for myself. Since I'm doing it on myself, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up, my eyebrows, because they need to be cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second eyebrow off camera, and then I'll come back. All right, I just wanted to come back to you guys before I finish this brow. So I started putting it on, and I just started doing the under part outline, and then I went in and just added color to the rest of the brow. It is now 5:37. So at 5:42, I'm gonna come back and then I'll add the remaining color to the front part, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right guys, so now it's time. It's 5:42. So now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in this portion. do just want to add just a little bit more right here. So I will be back once that is done processing. All right, guys, it's been right at 10 minutes, 5:47. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. All right, and I think I actually like the way that this one did better. So I recommend, instead of putting it on at one time, go ahead and just leave a space for the front and then go ahead and wipe it off. So the big test is going to see how it actually looks once my eyebrows are arched. And so that is what I'll be doing next. All right, so I like to use the Annie razor blades. It helps me to get that sharp shape that I like. And so I'm gonna go ahead and start out with that. And I'm just cleaning them up, but I just wanna, let me just get a close-up of this so that you guys can see. And if you look at it, I feel like this one looks a lot more natural. This one right here is just a little bit too much here. Just gonna clean my razor with some alcohol first. Put it on a cotton ball swab and just run that through there. I don't think I've used this one, but just to be on the safe side. And you normally want to put something on here, but since I just put this color on here, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean them up. So this is the first brow after it's been cleaned up. I already have pretty thick eyebrows, but this did just help to fill it in a little bit more. I hate that this part messed up. Hopefully this one turns out a little bit better. You always have that one eyebrow that looks better than the others. I have a feeling this is going to be the one. And I thought this one was going to turn out better, but I kind of like this one a little bit better. You guys let me know. Do you like this one on my left? It will be your right, I think. And my right, your left. This one. All right, and I am also going to just outline them, and I'm sure that it's going to look so much better once it's outlined. So I'll come back to you guys once I'm done with my wig and I have everything put together. And so I'll see you guys in just a moment. Okay, guys, so I just forgot to get the extra shots that I needed with the wig on, with my hair done, but I was able to get my face made up, and this is with my lashes added. I did outline and highlight my eyebrows, and so I actually love how they turned out. It did only last a couple days that I can remember. I will come back and do it again with an update. I want to leave it on just a little bit longer, and so I'll come back with an update after I do that and let you guys know how it turned out, how long it lasted. But so far, I do like this product. I love how my brows look. Even though it did last a few days, that was still not bad because it was just, you know, some days that I didn't have to worry about doing it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you like and make sure you subscribe. It helps my channel. It helps the views. It helps my channel to grow. So if you want to support me, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Peace.